Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all of you guys. We are Group 4, and we are here in front of you to present our work or presentation about our topic, factoring difference of two squares. And each of them have different categories. So let's get to the video.
Factorization of difference of two squared. If x squared minus 1 is a product that equates to a total width of a rectangle, what are the multiplicand and multiplier? The solution is here. X squared minus 1 should be squared first, and we will get x and x. If multiplied, we will get x squared. And for negative 1 is negative 1 and positive 1. If multiplied to each other, we will get negative 1, because negative times positive is equals negative. As you can see, here is the answer. If we combine 1, if we combine 1 from each term, then we will get x minus 1 multiplied to x plus 1. But of course, we should give attention to the parentheses, which is, so we will now read it as parenthesis x minus 1 parenthesis, then open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis. In the checking, we will use FOIL method. We will only, as we only have a binomial, we will only get the first and last. Therefore, we will also multiply only the first and last term in this, which is x times x and negative 1 times positive 1. And then we will get, for the first term, x squared, the last is negative 1. Therefore, the multiplicand and multiplier is open parenthesis x minus 1 close parenthesis multiplied to open parenthesis x positive 1 close parenthesis.
So now we will study the factoring difference of two squares. I have an example here. My team has 100 scored points, but they are very tired. And our opponent is 81p4 q squared, but they are not tired yet. And in a short time, we will be defeated. What is the factoring of 100 squared minus 81p4 q squared? Our given is 100 squared minus 81p4 q squared. Second, multiply the term with equal exponents by multiplying their bases. 100 squared minus 81p4 q squared using the a squared minus b squared close I x is equal to a open parenthesis a plus b close parenthesis times a minus b close parenthesis. You factor the expression. Open parenthesis 100 squared minus 81p4 q squared close parenthesis. Imumultiply natin siya sa sarili. Then pagkatapos yung multiply, ayun na magiging sagot. The answer of 100 squared minus 81p4 q squared is open parenthesis 10 minus 9 p squared q close parenthesis times open parenthesis 10 plus 9 p squared q close parenthesis. And that's all. Thank you. God bless.
Factorization of two squares. If 196 x squared minus 225 y6 or y raised to the power of 6 is a product that equates to the total diameter of the cylinder, what are the multiplicand and multipliers used? First, you get a product. It's 196 x squared minus 205 225 y to the raised to the power of 6. We will square it. The square of 196 is 14. And we have 14. The square root of x squared is x. So we will have 14x. Now that we have the square of 196 x squared, we will get to negative 225 y raised to the power of 6. Here we will have different symbols, negative sign and positive sign, because our product here is negative, which is negative 225 y to the raised to the power of 6. We need to have different symbols and signs. 225, if we square it, we will get 15. So we will put down 15. Y raised to the power of 6, if squared, will be 3. It will be divided by 2. So we will now get 3. We have negative 15 y 3 and positive 15 y cubed. After that, let us combine each term from both sides. 14x minus 15 y cubed and 14x plus 15 y cubed. If we are to check it, let us only multiply the first and last term, which is in first is 14x times 14x, and the last is negative 15 y cubed times positive 15 y cubed. The multiplicand and multipliers are open parenthesis 14x minus 15 cubed 15y cubed close parenthesis multiplied to open parenthesis 14x times 15y cubed close parenthesis.
That's all for our video. Hope you guys enjoy watching it and learn something about factoring difference of two squares. And thank you.